Hello guys, today in this video I'll show you guys how to change the battery of a desktop UPS or a computer UPS. Many of the times the battery of this UPS dies off. That is one of the main complaint which we get from this device. See, you can see that I'm trying to turn it on. If the battery would have been there, it would have started with a beep sound, or you can see the light would have started blinking. But in this way, in this scenario, you can see that it is not turning on. If I connect it to the power supply, it might turn on, but once I switch off the power, there won't be any backup. So this is now not useful in any way. So in this video, I'll show you guys, if you get in a problem like this, how to fix it just by replacing the battery by yourself. If you take it to any other shop, they will charge you for the battery. That also they will charge extra from you, and you have to pay for the service fees also, like how much they are taking, that depends upon the person. So in this video, I'll show you guys in an easy way how to replace the battery of this UPS. So when we turn it back, you can see that there is 4 screwdriver hole is there. So you have to in this scenario, if you see, mine is having a star shape the screws, so I'm using a star shaped screwdriver head. I'll put it and I will unscrew all the 4 screws. So for unscrewing, you have to rotate it anti-clockwise direction, means this way. This one is also loose. Now we can just pull this thing up like this. Okay, so put it back on its base and just pull this thing up. So you can see that when I'm pulling it up, it easily opens up. So we'll see what is inside. See, here you can see there are some wires connecting it, and there is a battery. So this is the culprit. This is the one which is dead in this scenario. Okay, see, I have easily removed the battery outside. Okay, you don't have to remove anything else. So I just removed the battery like this. And for removing it from here, you can just shake it and you can remove this connector. See, it's that easy. This is the black one. For this black one, and for the red one, there is a red wire. That easily you can remove this battery. So guys, for replacing, I have already purchased a battery. It is the same type. I bought it for around 850-900 rupees. This is the old battery which was there. So you can see that same thing, 12 volts, 7.5 amperes. Okay, so I'll just keep the old battery aside. I'll take the new one. Same way, there are 2 wires, as you guys could have seen. The black one will go to the black connector, and the red wire will go to the red connector. Don't interchange it. So same way, I'm going to connect this. So first I'll try to connect the red one to this. So same way, just shake it and fix it. See, it went in like that. Now the same way, I'm going to connect the black one also. See, it's as easy as that. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to place this back in to the same place where the other battery was there. So I just kept it like this. You can see it's easily fixed. Once it fixed, it doesn't move because there is a place to keep this battery. Okay, see, this is the wiring. This is where we place the battery. You can move it. See, now it starts shaking, but once I place it, it stays there. Nothing will happen. Again, recheck the wires one more time. It shouldn't be loose. I'll just recheck it. Okay, it is fixed. Now you can go ahead and just place this thing back. For that I'm going to rotate this thing like this, and see, there you can see there is a sliding mechanism which happens like this. So I'm going to place it in the same way, and I'm going to push it. This side it is coming. Now we'll check the other side also, and just press it back. So you can, as you guys can see, it is locked from all the sides. Now holding it tightly, because the screws are loose, rotate it. So see, everywhere it is sealed. I have rotated. Now just same way tighten all the screws. Once you tighten, then we will try to check it once, because I have just changed the battery. It should power on. So I'll just press it. As you guys can see, it has easily powered on, which means that the main culprit was the battery, because the battery was dead. Now I changed it. It is good as new. You can turn off. I'll turn it on one more time and show you guys. See, just by replacing the battery, it starts working, and it is working good as new. So next time you get in a problem with your UPS like this, you can easily change your old battery with a new battery at your home itself. So I hope you guys like the video and it help you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.